enjoy Seagull because it's intensive, fast-paced, and it challenged my mind a lot.
I really appreciate that Seagull gives me both knowledge and the opportunity to apply that knowledge into a practice.
The thing I enjoy most about Seagull is the idea of interacting with real-life partners and involving real-life community problems. So one thing I enjoy the most is really understanding how complex social issues are.
I enjoy Seagull because I learned something new. It's my first time knowing design thinking, and it's kind of like intense, and at the same time it was really fun.
I like Seagull because it allows me to meet a lot of people from Southeast Asia.
For me, the biggest highlight would be the friends I've made, the friendships that I've made over just these few days, and the laughs we've had, the deep heart-to-heart talks. And I think the idea that you want to do something about social problems in our own communities and community bigger than that. The friendships that I've made as a result of that is something that I enjoy the most.
The first immersion in Singapore, it was an eye-opener for me to realize the real society issues, and the second immersion in Bangkok, I get to work with the real NGOs to tackle their challenges. I learned that I am capable of making an impact on people around me.
The best thing I learned from Seagull is teach me a lot on how to solve a real life problem.
I think I also learned a lot about learning to be more tolerant, or not to devalue other people's opinions, but to really listen to their side story, and at the same time check back your own understanding, because like sometimes maybe you're the one who is misunderstanding where the position is coming from.
Sometimes we have to take a step back and look at everything that is related, so that we can take the interest of the general public into consideration.
It's perspective. I see things now like in a whole new perspective. Before I was just like contained to this one perspective that I have, but because of the different talks, the different delegates, seagulls that I had with me all throughout the immersion, I saw that I didn't only have the idea to make a change, but they also had.
Seagull is contenting.
Seagull is siok.
Seagull is 很有意义.
Seagull is vun đắp.
Seagull is what we sound.